What is convolution
to
in
that
statistics?
method or rule or principle through which we obtain the distribution of two independent random variables. So assuming we have information that two random variables are independent, and these two random variables have their respective distributions. And then we decide to sum these two random variables, say x and y. And then the interest now is to obtain the distribution of the sum of these two independent random variables. What we have to do is to follow the approach of what is called a convolution. So convolution is a method, a guideline, a principle through which we arrive at the distribution of the sum of two independent random variables. And then for us to do this, we should be considering if these two independent random variables are discrete random variables or continuous random variable. This morning, we want to quickly look at the convolution of two independent distributions where the random variables now involved are discrete random variables. Let us, for instance, call these two independent random variables x and y. So I have two independent random variables. The first independent random variable is x, then the second independent random variable y. And then, of course, this independent random variable x has its own distribution, and its PMF is given by, that is, its probability mass function is given by P of capital S is equal to small x. That is, assigning the probability to every value of this random variable, capital X, which is given as a small x. Then we equally have information that this random variable y has its own distribution, and then equally its own PMF is given as capital P is given as capital Y is equal to small y. So our interest here is to sum these two independent random variables x and y, and let us call the sum z. So I have what? Z is given as what? X plus what? Y. So the concern here is, having known this x and its PMF, having known this y and its what? PMF, how do we arrive